In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a high-speed motion blur effect. I'll be using this picture for the example, and I'll leave the link for it in the description. I first need to duplicate it, so I'm holding my finger on the screen for a second and letting go. So the options come up and I'm clicking duplicate. Then I need to add a zoom blur, so I'm going to the filter studio. I'm going to blurs, and I'm scrolling down to zoom blur. You need to know what direction it looks like the picture is moving in. So if this picture, it's a straight road where you'll be moving forward. So I'm going to tap on the end of the road, and I'm lowering the radius to around 24 pixels. So if you're moving fast, the things closest to you on the sides will be moving a lot faster than the things off in the distance. So I'm removing the effect from the center because I want the effect strongest on the sides. I'm clicking on the plus, and I'm adding a mask layer. Then I'm using the paintbrush tool with the colour on black. I have the hardness set to 0 to get more feathered edges and a low flow and opacity. And I'm just painting over the end of the road and trees to remove it.